This is David Carr from Online Presenters Toastmasters with a preview of what you can be part of if you come to our webinar workshop Monday night at Online Presenters Toastmasters on growing your YouTube channel.
Hi, we made it. It is episode number 258 of our show. What does this button do? And it's amazing to me that, look at this, episode 258, 10,000 subscribers. I think that deserves a toast. What do you say, sweetie?
10,000 subscribers.
Now,
wow.
For some people, that's not that big of a deal.
It is for us.
It is for us.
Did you know that by giving to our campaign earlier rather than later, you will have a much greater impact?
How can your phone get an internet connection when you're on the road?
A big thank you to InstaWP for sponsoring this video. InstaWP is a great way to create, test and deploy WordPress websites in just one click. Last week I discovered the most beautiful things that I've ever created on a WordPress website. They're super easy to do. I'm going to show you step by step how to do them. But first, here they are. Hope you enjoyed that one. If you did, if you can give it a like, that'd be amazing because it makes a huge difference in terms of how many people get to see this video. It really, really does. So thank you if you can. Also, every time you do hit that like button, our cats get a little treat. If you want to see other examples of what I've just shown you, watch this video. Otherwise, keep well, and I'll see you soon.
Here's how to make a killer YouTube thumbnail to blow up your channel. Because a single thumbnail could be the difference between getting your big break on YouTube and going completely unnoticed. As Mr. Beast is fond of saying,
people don't click, they don't watch.
But how exactly do you get someone to click? What do the top YouTubers know that we don't? To find out, I spent the last 36 days poring over interviews, listening to talks, and analyzing the best performing thumbnails from the top creators in the world. 73 pages of notes later, I discovered that the best YouTube thumbnails follow a 4-part formula. This video will walk you through them all. The first part is the one that's by far the most important, and yet also the most overlooked. If you're watching this video, I don't have to tell you that thumbnails are important. There's a reason why you clicked on this video in the first place. But where most of us go wrong is in the time we dedicate to our thumbnails. You see, the top YouTubers know that YouTube is a game of clicks and watches. The success of a video is determined in part by the effectiveness of the packaging, which drives clicks, and in part by the video itself, which drives watch time. The problem is, most of us spend our time like this. We'll spend countless hours agonizing over scripts, capturing the best shots, and editing our videos to perfection, only to come up with a thumbnail an hour before the video goes live. If that sounds like you, don't worry, you're not alone. It's something I've been working on improving myself. But why would you spend 10% of your time on something that determines 50% of the result?
You heard from Jim and Chris Gold, our workshop presenters on Monday. They do business as Geeks on Tour. You heard from Jamie Marsland, a WordPress educator who I follow very closely and who had the integrated promos, whereas Jim and Chris had a YouTube ad that ran during the program that they also got a chance to make a little bit of money off of. And we heard from April Lynn Alter talking about how to be more effective getting a click that gets people to watch your video that can lead to greater success. We're going to talk about all of it on Monday.